Today we're going to look at the impact of rights in Oscar Manor School. We're going to be focused on 3 rights in this assembly.
Article 28 has a right quality education of Oscar Manor School.
This is what we came up with in our class. Listening, following instructions, contributing to discussion, engaging in learning, staying in my seat, having equipment, books out ready, focus, paying attention as the teacher was giving instructions. Can you think of any in your class?
Article 12, the right to a voice. We feel that being a rights-responsive school, we are listened to and our opinions are valued.
We are listened to and our opinions are valued from the steering group members, the anti-bullying ambassadors, the key work sessions with our teachers, and also in PSHE lessons.
Article 19, the right to be protected from being hurt and mistreated in body and mind.
These are the points that's been made in our class. Not feeling in danger. Teachers always think about our well-being. We have a sense of security when we are with our friends, and we are ready, respectful and safe. What are the things that make you safe in the class?